Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm going to go thrifting by myself. About 2.5 hours. Let's see what we find. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of Micro Spaceship. But outside of a Savers, I'm going to go in there and see if I can find anything today. Should be about 7 thrift stores, maybe 6, something like that. Let's see what we find. All right, I think the first find is this right here, $9, Montgomery Ward quality outerwear. It's quality outerwear. Looks like this really heavyweight flannel coat. So sick. I looked at all the cuffs and down below. We don't have any holes or anything weird. Size small. Perfect for the booth, honestly. Thinking around 60 in the booth, something like that. So pretty awesome. I'm pumped that I found this. This is great. Holy crap, wait till you see what I found at the Savers. Whoa, pretty cool find. I got that Montgomery Ward piece. That was great. I used the 20% off coupon on both things, by the way. And then look at this. This was sitting in the jacket section. Some other reseller passed it up. Vintage Porsche wool leather. Look at that jacket. So nice. It's got that varsity kind of look to it. And the back has that Porsche embroidery. Boom. These things are selling between $150 and $200 on eBay all day. So perfect find, wool and leather. Real leather too. So sick. Next up, this Goodwill Aquaman Shadow. By the way, that jacket was 16 bucks. 13 bucks with a discount. All right, didn't find anything in there. They're playing the music so loud. Oh my gosh, copyright strike imminent. Yeah, and I'll go to another one. Got plenty of thrift stores lined up. All right, next Goodwill. Let's get in here. Man, I'm looking for a large calculator. This one's kind of small, but just looking for a large one. All right, so there's not much stuff here. Probably gonna get out of here and go to that Salvation Army. Yeah, dry Goodwill, it's all good. I can't expect every store to hit today. But that said, make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler and get the free guide so you can learn how to do this and make some money too. It's the first link down below. Next stop, Salvation Army. I'm about to get into the mayhem. This whole parking lot is filled. Here we go. I gotta find something. I mean, it's half off clothing, right? Should be able to find something. We got a lot of bikes here, but nothing's really worth buying. Let's see what we can find in here. Okay, so I found these Doc Martin Pier boots. They're in great condition, honestly. Size 10. I think they're 10 bucks, so half off of 20 it looks like. Not bad. Might be getting into that. And then we got this XTR Shimano biking jersey. XTR is basically a high-grade group set, but the way that this font is done, this is probably late 2000s XTR. Pretty cool. All right, so I'm passing on those boots. I just don't think I can get 50 bucks pure profit after shipping and everything. I'll pass on that. Pass on the XTR thing. Still looking around a little bit, but I might have to get out of here. A lot of people in here for sure. Yeah, that's total chaos in there. And I saw some things that I thought I was gonna buy. Lego 21319 Friends Central Perk set, 5 bucks, but they're going on eBay for like 50 used, sometimes 45 used. And that's assuming all the pieces are there. And I cannot know that with a, unbuilt, with a Lego set that's just randomly in Salvation Army. The boots, as low as 45, as high as like 100. So I don't know if I'd make the 50 bucks that I'm looking for out of that. And then the last thing I was looking at, that XTR jersey. It's not rare enough, but it was cool. So let's go to the next Goodwill and see what we find. Okay, it's a little bit further in the evening, I know, time warp. Check this out, $12.99 in the Goodwill. Totally gonna buy it. Wasn't make sure that it zips okay. This is gonna be a buy at $12.99 for sure. Probably worth about 100, 200 bucks easily. Looking at those bags to bucks, don't see any. Go through the section real fast. So yeah, I didn't find anything at that last thrift store, but I spent some of the afternoon building the latest Cheddar Report number 18 and went out. If you're on my email list, you got it. And if you don't know how to get on my email list, it's the first link down below. You get the 50 free items guide that puts you directly on my list. So I'll kind of show you what the Cheddar Reports look like. All right, here's a Cheddar Report right here. And this is, it's about a 15-page document. I talk about all kinds of interesting flips, shoes to bucks, thrifted finds, more shoes to bucks, some really cool grill video games that I found. I talk about what is sold, and we have all kinds of interesting little things. And I talk about Baudam, the other channel as well right there, and how to find me on my other social media. But yeah, the Cheddar Report comes out, and sometimes it's really big, sometimes it's really small. Oh yeah, by the way, there is a deal on shoes to bucks. So if you go on my Instagram and you click the first link at the very top, until Friday at midnight, you can get Shoes to Bucks for 50% off. So go check it out. But yeah, a lot of times on my Cheddar reports, I put one guide for 50% off for 48 hours. So this month's is Shoes to Bucks. And you know how many times I resell shoes. So that's what the Cheddar reports are. And if you want to get them, make sure you're on my email list. But let's go in the garage and check out these jackets a little bit more closely. It wasn't the worst thrift day. It wasn't the best thrift day, but I seem to have found jackets. Maybe I need to make a Jackets to Bucks guide. Who knows? Here's the first one right here. And this is nice. It's got a nice little kind of felt interior. I'm getting a closer look at this thing. Too bad it's not a large. I would have totally kept it, but it is more like a coat. Yeah, it's definitely a coat, not so much a flannel. We got the pockets on the side right here. Really nice and thick, so that's pretty cool. Maybe it could be like a chore coat or something like that. It's in great condition, size small. Quality outerwear, guys. That's right, this is quality right here. Actually, it's really nice. So yeah, that was really cheap. $9, I'll take it. I mean, it was 20% off that. I think the real win of the day is this Porsche jacket right here. Looks amazing. Made in the USA, genuine leather sleeve, and we have 80% wool and some other fibers in here, but it is nice. It's the varsity jackets. Classified, I guess, vintage / retro. Great condition on the sleeves and the Porsche on the back. That's a killer find. I'm gonna probably shoot for about 150 on this one. One of those last Goodwills came through with this leather jacket. I don't know what the maker is. It's crazy, but it's got YKK zippers. It has the belt on the bottom. I mean, all the zippers are there. It's good. All the buttons are there too. They're not ripped to all hell, you know? So that's really neat. And it has the side zip too, which is cool. So it's the off-center zip. It's a, you know, it's a really tough motorcycle leather. It looks amazing. And look at that price. I mean, seriously, that's a great price right there. So I'll be asking around 80 to 100 in my booth for that. I'll probably simultaneously like list it on eBay too, but we'll see. When I put a tag on these items that go to my booth, I'll put, you know, whatever item number it is, EB. So I know that when it sells in the booth, I can yank it off eBay. If it sells on eBay, I go run to the booth and I go pick it up and I ship it off. But that's how it kind of works. That's how I can double list some cool things between the booth and eBay. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up. I don't think I've asked that in the entire video. So if you could do me a big favor, do that. Let me know what your favorite find was. I mean, there's 3 jackets here, so which one do you like the most? And I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. I hope you're enjoying the content. Take it easy. Goodbye!